Kami po ay hindi po nakadepende sa, ah, that deadline. What is important because of consequences of our result of, the demise of our beloved speaker na hindi naasahan na gano'n ang mangyayari. But for the parliament ngayon, should start to, have that new law. Tingnan natin anong mangyayari along the way. We have to, start to, have that bill, and then tingnan natin according to the process, uh, as, set by the parliament, kailan natin maipasa. Because this is the question of, deadline, the question how can we pass it and before, having a new, another year. So kailangan natin maipasa, tingnan natin anong mangyari. So hindi question impossible, hindi question kaya ba, what the parliament, trying our best to, file that law, and tingnan natin saan tayo mag-e-end hanggang ma-approve.